The entire city of Mumbai was facing torrential rains for 2 days continuously, and the celebrities of B-Town took to social media platforms to express their concern for Mumbaikars and appeal the masses to be safe and help one another. But Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan posted a series of tweets on the heavy rains in Mumbai, and the fans were not too impressed with the insensitive nature of the tweets and the fact that he posted his pictures along with these. He even compared the rains with Hurricane Harvey. Senior Bachchan posted number of tweets like Mumbai real estate prices hit an all-time high, every building is now sea-facing, from Prasoon Pandey. Another tweet said, flooded roads, police common man helping against terrible odds amidst this Visarjan with the band music still on. Amazing Mumbai. People of Mumbai were quite shocked by such insensitive tweets from Big B and started trolling the star. Check them out. Well, we hope this entire episode made Big B realize the mistake he did. What are your thoughts? Mention below.